Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now, my friends. In this video, once again, I'm talking about the XRP coin, my friends. What's exchange over in the XRP? And you know what, my friends? First of all, you can see here the whole cryptocurrencies market changes is still negative. You can see here every coin price change is negative. That means that the all cryptocurrencies is in the loss, and that is the big crash of cryptocurrencies market, my friends. I never saw this kind of crash occur in the cryptocurrencies market. Now this time the whole changes is going negative, my friends. If the changes is going negative, so that's mean that you're in the loss, my friends. Anyways, this is a special video for all XRP Ripple coin holders. Never miss any second of this video. If you miss, there's a possibility you will lose your money, my friends. And my friends, first of all, please I request everyone, if you listen my voice, so please click the subscribe button. Also like this video, my friends. My friends, at this time, the latest price of the XRP Ripple coin is 0.626204 USD dollar. That is the currently latest price of the XRP Ripple coin. Other side, furthermore, if you look the XRP Ripple coin price changes, so you can see here that the last 1 week, last 1 day, last 1 month, these changes is a negative, my friends. Last 1 month, last 30 days price change is negative. So my friends, that's mean that you're in the loss. The price is going down from the last 1 month, from the last 60 minutes. So if the price is going down from the last 30 minutes, so that's a completely loss of all XRP holders, my friends. So that's why I have a personal advice for all of you. I have a special advice for all of you. Keep watch, my friends, and never miss any second of this video. My friends, that is the last 1 week price chart of the XRP Ripple coin, and from this chart everyone can understand that we are in the loss completely, my friends, completely fast time occurring in the XRP. So that's why this video is very special for you. And my friends, my advice is that please hold, don't buy more XRP Ripple coin, and buy a hold. My friends, if you decide to sell, so you are completely in the loss. That's clear for everyone that the last 1 month price is negative, so you are in the loss. My personal recommendation for all of you is that please hold it, don't decide to sell. Hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.